Hello, today I will be comparing instant solo Wi-Fi connect single serve coffee maker versus the Nespresso version Pro Plus Deluxe Coffee and Espresso machine by DLG. Be sure to watch to the end and I will tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description, so let's start. Type of coffee: Nespresso is winner. Brewing capacity: Nespresso is winner again. Wi-Fi connectivity: instant salad is better. Green drum is tie. Brew storage control: instant salad is better. Milk frozen is tie. Programmability: instant salad is winner. Ease of use is tie. Water reservoir: instant salad is winner again. Cleaning is tie. Footprint and design is tie. Then heading element: Nespresso is better. Build quality: Nespresso is better. Special features: Nespresso Vertuo Plus is better again. Suitability is tie. Price: instant solo is better. And what's best for? Depends on need. Can be instant solo or Nespresso. Durability: Nespresso is winner. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the Nespresso Vertuo Plus Deluxe Coffee and Espresso machine by DLG. The link to buy it is in the video description.